All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an unboxing. All right, so I got a package today from Brandon. You might know him if you're on, especially on Facebook. He's also got a YouTube channel, Jarhead Diagnostics. I will link his channel in the description and a pinned comment. But he sent me a package, so we're going to open it together. Use my Matco knife. Try not to cut my hand open. Paper. You know, obviously, Jarhead Diagnostics, green. First off, we got a t-shirt. Needs a computer. You know, that's the end-all be-all of every diagnostic, right? It needs a PCM. All right, he also sent me some Pomona test leads, which piercing probes. I love these things. I have a bunch of them. I also sent me a Warwick Test Supplies universal connector breakout. So, bunch of different, obviously universal. So that'll come in handy in diagnostics. And the main thing, a sticker. He sent me one of his pulse sensors. Definitely very cool. Orange. If you don't know, Brandon does his own pulse sensors. He builds them and he sells them. He also does them in various colors. So if you want to match something, very cool. Brandon, I appreciate it very much. I will link his channel in the description. If you don't know Brandon on Facebook, find him. I'm sure he's pretty much in every group out there as far as diagnostics. So very much appreciate it, and thanks for watching.